In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Gestures. Now tap on one-handed mode, and if you are using Tricky's navigation, this option won't be accessible to you. To still use one-handed mode, just scroll down and tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Tap on Got It. Select one-handed mode on the left and decide which one you wanna use. Shortcut from Quick Settings, Accessibility button, or volume keys press and hold together. Wherever you decided, just tap on the chosen one and instantly one-handed mode will be accessible. If you want to go back from it, tap on the same method you picked, like accessibility button, swipe up, or click on this section at the top. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same no blue switcher. Now, if you are using gestures, I will switch mine real quick to show you. Tap on this switcher next to use one-handed mode if it's not already on, and then follow the instructions from this picture. So basically, swipe down from the bottom of your screen. Like that. Swipe up to go back or click on this area. If you still can't use one-handed mode for any reason, make sure Full Screen into Reach is on. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!